Hello guys, I'm back. Go later. This is a firework song by me. I'm not stealing her song. I just really like it. I know it by heart. When I say like Katy Perry's song by me, I mean like I'm gonna be singing it. Me. And as you can see, got a heart shirt. I mean a star shirt. Star. So if Katy Perry is ever watching this, I'm not singing your song as I really like the song, and I'm just gonna sing it to my subscribers. And I only have like 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Hold on. I'm getting a little bit of cold. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel so buried deep, 6 feet on the screen so no one ever hears a thing? Do you know that there is still a chance for you? There's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, firework, come and show 'em what you work. Make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew the future holds, through a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night, the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, a firework, come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. It's always been inside of you. And now it's time to let it through. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. So I think I got after the I think I got wrong after the firework part, but I think it was pretty good. Well, my dream is to be like Katy Perry, so yeah. Hold on. Oh no. And if I can get my laptop working, guess what I will do? My cat had kittens, and one more thing, I might be showing them in about 5 minutes if my laptop cooperates. See, I can't get it for charger for some freaking reason. So bye. Love you all.